top national pediatricians are calling the current state of children's mental health a crisis.
Locally, experts say parents can do a lot to help their kids through this. Here's Danielle Zokowski with some tips.
Kids that were struggling before the pandemic are probably struggling even more now. And the kids that were doing well before the pandemic are probably keeping their heads above water.
The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention say between February and March of 2021, ER visits for suspected suicide attempts were up 51% compared to 2019. And experts say this is in large part due to the pandemic and social media use.
I mean, if their kids are taking selfies and trying to promote themselves as some sort of perfect ideal, then that can be a real problem.
Top national doctors are calling childhood mental health a crisis, but locally experts are saying this issue has been boiling under the surface for quite some time.
It's been a crisis since the dawn of adolescence, quite frankly. It's just been enhanced in this period of time.
Nationally, First Lady Jill Biden says the White House is giving more money to mental health programs to try and see the country out of this crisis.
Our mental health problem is so great, and the needs are so great, especially after this pandemic. And, I knew Joe would see that and came up with his plan to, give more money to mental health.
Providers say using the upstream approach to mental health to support your kids before a mental health crisis occurs is key.
Focusing in on the positive things about themselves. What are the things that they do well? And making sure that we emphasize that, and spending a lot of time with them, even if they don't want to spend time with you.
Dr. Alta Cruz says spending time taking interest in something your child likes is an important way to help build up their family bonds and positive mental health. In Little Chute, Danielle Zolkowski, Local 5 News.